Jamela Villanueva's viral post about ex-boyfriend Anthony Jennings' alleged cheating with on-screen partner Maris Racal was the talk of the town since yesterday. Now, a lawyer has pointed out that the screenshots of private conversations made public violates the Data Privacy Act. Here's Marimon Reyes with more details.
Social media has been abuzz since the viral cheating revelation of the ex-girlfriend of actor Anthony Jennings. Jamela Villanueva used screenshots of conversations Jennings had with on-screen partner Maris Racal. Reactions ranged from shock, anger, and sympathy, with most favoring the side of Villanueva. But there are those who saw the posting of private conversations between people off.
You should always tackle things, especially your problems, or marital or relationship problems, between the two of you, privately.
Unang-una, minahal mo siya, tapos parang masisira siya dahil lang doon.
A lawyer also sees legal violations on the part of Villanueva, particularly on the Data Privacy Act, as even cheaters are still covered by this law.
Ang right to privacy is applicable to everyone, so even cheaters. Releasing screenshots or publishing it without the consent of the parties involved in the screenshot may be a violation of the Data Privacy Act, especially if you can identify the parties, if there are personal or sensitive information in the screenshot or the messages.
Though exposing private conversations publicly is against the law, such screenshots, like the ones posted by Villanueva, can be used as evidence in court. Attorney Falsis says a woman who is a victim of cheating can file a violence against women complaint on the grounds of psychological violence.
The Supreme Court may still find it to be psychological violence because of other facts. Like what I said, gaslighting, manipulation, if deliberate yung pag-inflict ng psychological torture, mental distress, pwede pa din pumasok yun kahit hindi kayo married.
But in this case, with the screenshots posted online, Villanueva may be on the losing end if a case is filed against her.
We understand that, if a person was cheated on, he or she goes through emotional turmoil and they, on impulse, might post. Pero yun nga, they might not know, legally, sila pa yung baka mabaliktad.